Check out this 2011 Dodge Journey Main Street. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are cargo net, rear window defroster, rear center armrest, beverage holder, folding rear seats, multi-function steering wheel, EBA emergency brake ASST, and center console. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.